Hey, in this video we are going to see how to use like the weather station application from like the Flipper Zero. So this application is available here on the Unleashed firmware that I'm using. You could run it to read information that are pushed from like the weather station sensors. So here I have one from TFA. It is like the reference 3221.02. I will put anyway the reference from Amazon, like affiliate link, if you want to check out. Otherwise, maybe you already have like a sensor that is working with the Flipper Zero. So not all the protocol are actually supported. You need to check out the changelog from the GitHub to see if your sensor is present in the list. Otherwise, maybe it's time to capture the signal and add it. Okay, so let's start the weather station application. So I will keep like for the first test the channel 1. And I have a TX button, so I could like either wait once in a while, like the sensor is going to push the information, so the Flipper Zero might capture it, or I could push it manually. So let's start the application. So now here it's going to give me the possibility to start scanning. Okay, so I start scanning and I press. Okay, we could see it capture it instantly. Here I have like 24 degrees, so I see it's not that accurate. Here it's set for 18 degrees in my place. So we have also other information like the battery and yes, the data in hexadecimal, and also the name of like the sensor. So okay, what also is interesting is like once like it captured like the signal, I could even change the channel. Check this out. So if now I press takes again, you see it have changed, and each time like I get like new data, the LED is blinking. So thank you for watching.